How to fix it looks like you've turned off permissions required for this feature. Error on X, formerly Twitter. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the X, formerly Twitter, media access problem. That annoying message that says, "It looks like you've turned off permissions required for this feature," when you try to post an image or video. If you've been seeing that message lately, don't worry. It's not your phone or your settings. This is actually a bug that's affecting a lot of users right now, especially after the latest app update. So in this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to upload images and videos until X officially fixes the issue. All right, let's get started. If you're trying to reply to a post with a picture, here's what to do. Open your gallery and find the image you want to use. Now tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Copy to Clipboard. Next, go back to X. Open the post you want to reply to and tap in the reply box. Now just paste the image, and you'll see the post option appear. This same method also works for direct messages. You can paste the image right into someone's inbox. Just keep in mind this method only works for images, not videos. If you want to post to your timeline or profile, here's another simple trick. Open your phone's gallery again and select the image or video you want to post. Tap the share icon and from the list of apps, select Xpost to upload it to your timeline. Or choose X Direct Message if you want to send it privately. That's it. This method works great for both pictures and videos. If you're trying to change your profile picture or reply with a video, the best option right now is to use X on your browser instead of the app. Open any browser like Chrome or Safari, go to x.com, and log into your account. From there, you'll be able to upload everything, profile pictures, images, and videos, without any problems at all. And that's it. Those are the 3 easiest ways to fix the X media access issue while we wait for an official update. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates or new fixes.